I'm Opari from Food for the Soul. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple greens recipe that is so delicious. I kept having greens prepared by other people and in a traditional Tanzanian way, and I kept trying to make it myself and couldn't figure it out. So I asked Modesta if she would show us how she makes greens, and you will not believe how simple it is and how quick it is and how delicious it is. So come on, let's go into the kitchen. Use whatever kind of green you like. Today we're using some sukuma wiki or some collard greens or sort of African kale. And one of the keys is chopping it very fine. As you can see, Modesta is really chopping it up. I've seen also people wrap it up into a tight bundle and slice it off, like shaving it off to make really fine shreds. And then Modesta is chopping up some onion. You're using red onion because that's generally what you can find. Use whatever onion you like best. And that's it. She puts it in the pan, and because we are eating oil-free, she is just putting them in straight. And she said she doesn't like adding water because it gets mushy. So just the water from the greens is enough. And she'll add a little salt.
This has become her daily ritual. Time to embrace the spiritual. Moves the tables and chairs.
And then just stir it, mix it up. And as you see, she didn't add any water. The moisture just from the greens themselves were enough. And then she added some fresh ground black pepper. It was just so easy. It was hard for me to believe that that's all it was. So I said and confirmed with her what exactly it is that she was putting in there. What else do you usually put in there? Anything?
Onion and black pepper.
Okay.
And salt.
Okay. So it was just a little bit more stirring, and then she said,
It's already.
okay. It was the perfect accompaniment with the beans that we grew in our garden. So I hope you liked this recipe. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. It's quick and easy. It is minimal cooking, so it retains much more of the vitamins and that vibrant green color. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click that like button, subscribe to the channel so you'll get notifications every time I upload a video, and come check me out over at foodforthesoul.opari.net and follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. That's it from now. I'm Ama Opari from Food for the Soul, coming from northern Tanzania in the Arusha region. Till next time, kwaheri, goodbye.
What the Creator has created, no man can destroy. What the Creator has created, no man can destroy. What the Creator has created, no man can destroy. What the Creator has created, no man can destroy.